Have you ever felt this strange frustration with your English? You know many words, you understand videos, you pass exams, but when you open your mouth, something feels wrong. Your English sounds correct but not natural, almost like a book, not like a real person.
And today, we are going to fix that. Not with grammar rules, not with long explanations, but with real English people actually use. Welcome to Real Life English Hub.
This is not a normal English lesson. This is real-life English for speaking, the English you hear in daily conversations, at work, with friends, in real situations. And today is just day one.
If you stay until the end, something will change. You will stop translating in your head. You will start thinking in simple, natural English. One small step today, but a powerful habit for your future speaking.
Most learners have the same problem. They learned English from books and exams, so their sentences sound polite but strange, correct but not alive, and native speakers feel it immediately.
They don't say you are wrong, but they know you are not natural. That is why confidence drops. That is why speaking feels stressful. And that is exactly what we fix today.
Let's start with a very common sentence. Many learners say, "I am agree with you." You hear it everywhere. You maybe say it yourself, but this sentence is wrong.
A native speaker never says that. The correct sentence is simple. I agree with you. Short, clean, natural. Repeat it with me.
Pause the video for 1 second. Say it out loud. I agree with you. Feel how easy it sounds. But this is only the beginning.
Because the next sentence is even more dangerous. Almost everyone learned it wrong, and if you fix this one, your English will instantly sound better. Let's continue.
Many learners say, "How do you feel now?" It sounds logical. It sounds correct. But in daily English, it sounds unnatural.
Native speakers usually say, "How are you feeling?" That small change matters. It sounds warmer, more human, more real.
Imagine talking to a friend. They look tired. You ask, "How are you feeling?" It sounds caring. It sounds natural.
Language is not just words. It is emotion, tone, timing, and real English feels alive.
When you use real English, confidence grows. You stop thinking too much. You stop worrying about mistakes. You start speaking more freely, and people respond better to you.
This is why daily practice matters, not once a week, not once a month, but every day, just like today.
Here is another very common mistake. I did a mistake. Many learners say this sentence. It feels logical, but it is wrong.
The correct sentence is, I made a mistake. Simple change. Big difference. Say it again.
Now it's your turn. Say these 3 sentences again. I agree with you. How are you feeling? I made a mistake.
If you can say these naturally, you are already better than yesterday. That is progress. That is real learning. And this is day one.
We don't teach long grammar rules here. We teach patterns, real sentences, daily usage, the way natives speak.
Your brain learns faster this way because it feels natural, because it feels useful, and because you can use it today, not someday.
But here is the truth. These are only simple sentences. Real conversations are longer, more dynamic, more interesting.
In the next part, we will connect these sentences into real mini conversations, so you don't just repeat, you actually speak.
Imagine this situation. Your friend says something you like. You want to agree naturally, not like a textbook, but like a real person.
You smile and say, I agree with you. Simple, natural, perfect.
Now your friend looks tired. You notice it. You care. So you ask, "How are you feeling?"
This is real English, not memorized English, not exam English, human English, and this is what we practice here.
Many learners are afraid to speak. They fear mistakes. They fear judgment. They fear sounding stupid. But mistakes are part of growth.
Even native speakers make mistakes. The difference is confidence, and confidence comes from practice, small steps, every day.
This is not a one-time video. This is a daily series, every day, real English. Short, simple, useful, for real speaking.
Tomorrow will be day 2. New sentences, new situations, more confidence, more progress.
If you are serious about speaking English, don't skip days. Don't wait for motivation. Just show up, even for 5 minutes.
Your future English depends on habits, not talent, not age, not accent, just consistency.
This channel exists for one reason: to help you speak real English, not perfect English, not academic English, real-life English.
This is Real Life English Hub, where English feels natural, simple, useful, and human.
Today you learned 3 key sentences, simple but powerful, used every day by native speakers without thinking.
And you practice them correctly, out loud, with context, with feeling. That is real learning.
But tomorrow, we go deeper. We fix sentences you use every day without noticing they are wrong, and the results will surprise you.
Because day 2 is where most learners fail. But you won't, if you stay with us and practice.
If this helped you even a little, you are in the right place. This journey is for you, and it starts now, with day 1.
Subscribe if you want daily practice. Not motivation, not promises, but real improvement, step by step.
Your English is not bad, it just needs direction and daily correction, small changes, big results.
Believe in the process, trust the practice, and speak without fear, because progress is happening, even today.
One day, you will speak English easily, without stress, without translating, without fear, and you will remember this moment.
You didn't quit. You didn't stop. You chose daily practice, and that choice changed everything. Keep going.
This was day 1, simple, clear, real, and powerful.
Day 2 is waiting for you, and it will be even better. See you tomorrow. Same place, same goal.
Thank you for learning with us today. You are not alone in this journey. We are learning together, one sentence at a time, one day at a time.
This is Real Life English Hub, where your English becomes real. See you in day 2. Don't miss it. Your future English is waiting.